Well, good evening, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, Daily Events Worldwide, and we're on May 30th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Thank you for joining me today. We are looking at now a C-class flare that erupted yesterday. So look for June 2nd, June 3rd, an uptick in seismicity. We're looking here at volcanic ash over the Hawaiian Islands being sucked into this low-pressure vortex moving north. It's a pretty interesting visual here. NASA Worldview providing this for you. And looking around the equator right now, a lot of moisture building. And then I overlooked here and there was a massive dust storm forming and moving across the Atlantic Ocean. You can see here very thick amounts of dust. Last year around this time we saw the same thing happen, but this one seems to be just a bit stronger. Very, very cool image there. So overlooking here, we're looking at Tropical Storm Alberto, and now just a local depression. And this is yesterday, the day before, and the night that it came abroad and flooded Mobile, Alabama. Just looking at one of the videos sent here to me. Streets of Alabama in feet of water. Hashtag grand solar minimum, folks. Stay aware and prepared. These events are going to be happening more frequently and in the neighborhood near you, so stay aware. But yeah, back to NASA Worldview here. There are fires in Alberta right now, and this very large low pressure system heading towards Europe. And just overlooking North America right now for any signs of smoke or natural forest fires. But yeah, pretty cool scene coming out of the Sahara Desert, coming from the Sahara Desert. So yeah, overlooking the 5-day forecast for Canada here, and we've got snow coming to northern parts of Manitoba and Saskatchewan later in the week as that large low pressure cell moves east. And a whole lot of rain coming to the southeastern United States as well. Looking here at this very large low pressure center in the Atlantic. See folks, these things are getting stronger. They're getting bigger, as I predicted. We all know what's going to happen here. Overlooking Europe, a lot of thunderstorms, high winds throughout Europe over the next few days, and possible typhoon development in the Philippines heading towards Malaysia, and another one forming behind that in the Pacific Ocean. You can see here, this is tons of moisture due to the increased cosmic energy penetrating our atmosphere. And you can see it in our skies when we look up. If we do. If you look up, you will see a difference. I wanted to watch this particular storm here, creating kind of an atmospheric river event for northwestern Australia later in the week as the high pressure ridge and the low pressure collide on the northern part of the continent. And still very large low pressure centers spinning around in the southern hemisphere. We had in parts of Peru yesterday extreme cold warnings. We've got extreme heat warnings happening in summertime, yes, of course, but extreme cold in Peru is kind of an anomaly. Just like an anomaly happening in Newfoundland when they got 35 centimeters of snow overnight. And just like here in northern Manitoba, when they're probably going to get about 10 to 20 centimeters of snow from this event in the coming days. So heads up. We're going to look at the earthquakes here in the last 24 hours. We had this 4.2 Ferndale, California at a 10-kilometer depth. A lot of movement here in Linwood as well, Washington. And Thousand Palms, California, 3.8. So yeah, we've been expecting this movement due to the coronal hole facing, the coronal hole from the sun. We're going to get into that soon enough after we look at the earthquakes here. We're just going to boost it up, and this is the last 7 days for earthquakes around the world. And you can see it's definitely not as busy as it has been, but things are about to change. Come June 2nd and June 3rd, we will be experiencing an event because the sun produced a C-class flare yesterday. So here it is. We're just going to give you a quick view of what the sun did for us and all the energy that will be coming our way. Just updated as I was recording this video here for you, 5.3 earthquake at the center of the Hawaiian volcano, Kilauea. So still a lot of tremors, movement, and warnings in this state of emergency that has happened in Hawaii. Just gonna leave you here with a look at all the natural disasters from around the world. I want to thank you for watching today. Thanks to all my new subscribers. And I tell you, I've got a couple quick, awesome videos coming up for you, and I hope you enjoy them. Be sure to stay tuned to my next upload. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. Stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Bye-bye.